Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Siri is Apple's virtual assistant that helps you perform tasks hands-free using voice commands. Enabling Siri on your iPhone or iPad allows you to send messages, set reminders, make calls, and much more, all by simply speaking to your device. In this video, I'll show the step-by-step guide to enable Siri on your iPhone or iPad. Let's go. Ensure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest version of iOS or iPadOS to access the newest Siri features. To check for a new iOS version, open Settings on your iPhone, navigate to General, and click on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Afterwards, your iPhone should restart automatically with the new iOS version installed. Keep in mind that you need enough storage space left and a stable Wi-Fi connection to successfully install an iOS update. Now to set up Siri, go to Settings. Scroll down and find Siri and Search. Here you'll enable Siri by toggling on the following options. Under Ask Siri, tap the Listen For. From the options, choose Hey Siri. This allows you to activate Siri hands-free by saying Hey Siri. If you enabled Listen for Hey Siri, you'll be prompted to set it up by tapping Continue on the setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to train Siri to recognize your voice by saying a few phrases. Once done, go back to Siri and Search. You can also enable Press Side button for Siri on devices with Face ID, or press Home for Siri on devices with a home button. So you can activate Siri by just pressing the corresponding button. Next is to allow Siri when locked permits. If it's activated, Siri can be accessed even when your device is locked. You just have then to confirm by entering your device passcode. And if you want to change and maybe use another language, tap Language to select your preferred language for Siri. You can also change Siri voice. Tap on it and choose the accent and gender of Siri's voice. Then the Siri responses. This allows you to control when Siri provides spoken feedback. The first option minimizes Siri's verbal responses. Siri will still perform your requests, but it won't speak out loud unless you explicitly ask it to. This is useful if you prefer a more discreet Siri experience or if you're in a noisy environment. The next one is the default setting. Siri will determine when to speak and when to provide silent responses based on your environment and the context of your request. For example, Siri might adjust its volume based on the noise level around it. Lastly, the Prefer Spoken Responses. This option maximizes Siri's verbal responses. Siri will always speak out loud, even in noisy environments. This is useful if you want Siri to provide clear and audible feedback for all your requests. Now activate Siri by saying Hey Siri or pressing the side or home button. Ask a question or give a command to ensure Siri is working properly. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.